Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful Ballerina Cappuccina Italianbrainrot step by step. Let's start drawing! First, I am going to draw its head, but its head is that of an ordinary person. Is the head real or is it a strange head? I will still draw it because it is a favorite of the little ones. Now I'm going to draw its face, which will be very beautiful. Then I'll draw two eyes, and this is the first eye. And this is the second eye. Nose and mouth. Next, we are going to draw everything, including the body, clothes, hands, and feet. What's the right hand? And this is the left hand. I'll draw the dress for my part. I'll give it a few spots like this. It will look nice on the dress. Now I'll draw its beautiful legs. I'll take its shoes along with the legs. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Amazing! Let's start coloring. Brown color, I am giving this color to its head. Red color, I am giving this dress a red color throughout, which will make it look very beautiful. Wow, that's great! Orange color, I am using this color on its face, hands, feet, and entire body. This orange color would be very beautiful. And finally, I'm giving its shoes a green color. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video.